from the top of 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45. So we need to determine the height of the tower. Determine the height of the tower. So we need to determine the height of the tower. So now from the top of 7 meters height building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is. So here the building will be there. Here the building is there. From the top of 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is. Here the cable tower is there. Here there will be cable tower. Here there will be a cable tower. Some cable tower will be there. So from top of cable tower is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation from the top of 7 meters building height, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degrees. Okay, from here to here it will be 60 degrees. Let's take this as theta 60 degrees. From here to here it will be 45 degrees. Now name it as A, B, E, B. Name it as triangles. Okay, I am writing here A. Okay. So B, C, okay, it's a cutting D and E. Okay, now draw the same diagram here. It will be is the building, distance between and the cable tower. Okay, from top of this to here it will be 60 degrees. 60 degrees angle is 60. From to here, the angle will be 45 degrees here. Same angle 45 degrees here itself. Okay, corresponding angles are equal 45, 45. So name it as here A, B, C, D and E, whereas ED equals to height of the building. ED equals to height of the building. ED equals to height of the building, that equals to 7 meters. They given as 7 meters, and AC is equals to height of the tower. So we don't know that question mark. So AC is equals to AB plus BC is equals to, we don't know this. So if you take this looks like a rectangle. Okay, it looks like a rectangle. So here 7, here also it will be 7. Why? Because ED equals to BC. Okay, ED is equals to BC, whereas ED is equals to BC, that is 7 meters. Okay, why? Because it looks like a rectangle. Okay, so it's actually square. It looks like a square, but we have to take somewhat here. Take rectangle shape. So opposite sides are equal, 7 and also 7. Okay, now it will be 7. It is also 7. So now we need to consider the triangle. Consider triangle first. Consider triangle. First of all, this triangle AECD. Consider triangle ECD. E, C and D. Angle is 45 degrees and height is given as 7 meters. Here we taken as theta. So this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse side and this is opposite side. So we want adjacent. Why? Because on these two triangles, okay, CD equals to EB. CD equals to so here CD equals to BE. So you can write it also here. CD is equals to BE. Okay, CD equals to BE. So that's why tan theta equals to, why? Because opposite is given, we want adjacent. So tan theta, again tan theta opposite adjacent will come in. Tan theta equals opposite by adjacent. Tan 45 degrees is equals to ED by CD. Tan 45 equals 1 by 1 equals to ED is 7 by CD. Cross multiplication. CD equals to 7 meters. So here also CD we got 7 meters and this is 7 meters also, this is also 7 meters. Okay. Why? Because you can take it as CD is equals to BE, that is 7 meters. Now consider triangle, one more triangle. Okay, this 7 meters we can take it as this is H. We can take it as X. Okay, X. So consider triangle AEB. Okay, the angle is placed between. Okay, you have to take middle. Then from triangle A B E, theta is 60 degrees. This is 7 meters. We want this. This is X meters. So with the theta with respect to E means this is adjacent side and this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse side. So tan theta is equals to, why? Because opposite is given, we want adjacent is given, we want opposite. So tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Then tan theta is equals to, what is that? AB by BE. Then tan 60 is equals to AB is X by BE is 7. Then tan 60 value is root 3 by 1 is equals to X by 7. Cross multiplication, X into 1 equals to 7 into root 3. X equals to 7 root 3 meters. Okay, X root 7 root 3 meters. Now we want height of this. So now we want height of the cable tower. 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 AC is equals to AB plus BC. So that is, what is AB? X equals to AB, whereas AB is equals to X, that equals to 7 root 3 meters. 7 root 3 meters. So 7 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus 7 root 3 plus BC. BC is also 7. So 7. Now the height of the tower is cable tower. The height of the tower cable tower AC is equals to if you take 7 common, root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay, this is the height of the cable tower. Okay, this is the height of the cable tower. Okay, come on, take this. So, as observed from the top of 75 meters high building from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees, and top of height of the building is 75 meters. One ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse. Find the distance between two ships. They are asking for the distance between two ships they want. So this we need to draw a diagram. Let's draw a diagram. There is a lighthouse here. There is a lighthouse. There is a lighthouse here. Okay, there is a lighthouse here. Yeah, there is a lighthouse here. Okay, from the lighthouse, two ships. Okay, one ship. Okay, one ship as observed from the top of 75 meters high 75 meters high building from the sea level, the angle of elevation or depression of two ships are 30 and 45. One of the ship exactly behind the other. Okay, same side of the lighthouse. Okay, from observing from here. Okay, one angle is, one ship is, okay, one ship is 30 degrees, and another ship is, if you are observing here, from the same point, another ship is, one ship is 30 degrees, another ship is 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees. If not, you should draw like this also. There is a lighthouse here. Okay. So the lighthouse here. So from this, the one thing is, okay, observing that one is at an angle of 30 degrees, and another one is at an angle of 45 degrees. If you are going same point, okay, other one is at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, the height of this one is, lighthouse is height equals 75 meters. So we need to find the distance between two ships. So we need to find this distance between two ships. We take it as x, name it as A, B, C, D. Same triangle right here. AB is equals to height of a lighthouse. AB equals height of lighthouse, that is 75 meters. Next, CD is the distance between two ships. The distance between two ships, we don't know, that is x meters. Whereas angle of elevations angle of elevations are theta equals 30 degrees, whereas theta d equals to 45 degrees. Next, if you draw the same triangle here, one angle is 30 degrees, one angle is 45 degrees. Okay, name it as A, B, C, D. So we need to find this x meters. We need to find x meters, and this is 75 meters. Now we need to consider two triangles Okay, I'm rubbing this question. We need to consider two triangles. From triangle ABC. Okay, if you want to find this, okay, we need to find CD names. This is okay. If you want to find CD, how you are going to get CD is equals to BD minus BC. So to get CD value, it will be BC minus CD equals BD minus total BD minus BC. Then only you will get CD. So from triangle A, C, B, right angle triangle A and B, whereas C, theta equals to 45 degrees. We don't know this is adjacent, and this is 75 meters opposite, and this is hypotenuse. So now already we know that adjacent opposite, we want adjacent from so tan theta is equals to tan theta we will get opposite by adjacent, tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. So tan theta, what is theta value? 45 is equals to opposite value is AB, adjacent is BC, tan theta 1. Okay, 1 is nothing but AB is 75 by BC is, we don't know BC value is BC itself. Okay, 1 is equals to 1 by 1. Okay, let's take as 1 also here. Actually tan 45 is 1. Next, if you do cross multiplication, BC into 1 is equals to 75 meters. Then BC is equals to 75 meters. So BC equals to 75 meters. Next, consider one more triangle. Okay, from triangle ADB. From triangle ADB, this is tan 30 degrees, and this is adjacent side. Why? Because with respect to angle D we are taking adjacent side, and this is opposite side. That is AB is 75 meters, and this is hypotenuse. So we want this adjacent side. Already opposite is given. So from tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So then tan theta value, what is theta? Tan 30 is equals to opposite value is AB by adjacent is BD. that is 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is 75 by BD is BD. We don't know BD value. Cross multiplication. So let's go with cross multiplication. BD into 1 is equals to 75 root 3 into root 3. So BD is equals to 75 root 3 meters. So this is BD. Okay. Now we want height of the. We want distance traveled by the. We want distance between two ships. We want distance between two ships. We want distance between two ships is given as CD. Is given as CD is equals to BD minus BC. So what is BD value? BD is 75 root 3 minus BC is 75. If you take 75 common, it will be root 3 minus 1 meters. So this is the distance between two ships. That is 75 minus root 75 of root 3 minus 1 meters. This is the distance between two ships. Are you ready? Come on, take this. So the given here, a girl of 1.2 meters height, 1.2 meters height, a tall girl, spots a balloon moving in the wind at horizontal line, and height of from the ground is 82 meters. From the ground it will be 82 meters. Okay, 82 meters. The angular elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at of 60 degrees. And after some times, the angle of elevation reduces to 30. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the intervals. Okay. So we need to find this. The distance between the two balloons. So we need to find the distance between two balloons. Okay. So this is the distance between the two balloons. So this is the distance between two balloons. We need to find this. Okay. This is the distance between two balloons. Distance between two balloons. Okay. Two balloons. One girl is saying like this. So the balloon is here. After an angle has decreased like this. Why? Because here 60 degrees. When she is seeing from here, the angle like 60 degrees. Okay, after the balloon is moving here, the balloon, after the balloon is moving there, her angle has just decreases. So from 62 it is decreased to 30 degrees. Okay, so they are asking how much distance the balloon traveled, distance between two balloons. So how much distance the distance traveled from here to here? One distance only. So that traveled from here first position to the final position of the balloon. Okay. And up to here, the height will be taken as, okay, this total is 8.2, 8.8, this will be 1.2, the girl height. So, the height of this is 88.2 minus 1.2, this will be 88.2 minus 1.2018, it will be 81. It will be 81 meters. It will be 81 meters. Okay. It will be 81 meters. So, are you ready? So now, so I am drawing the, so we want the distance of this. So I am drawing two triangles here. Okay. So I am considering two triangles. So let's write height of the building, height. Okay now. So let us just Draw another triangle here. Then you come to know only this. Now this part. Let us name it as A or B, AB. This is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees. Okay. Again here. Okay, from here the angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So we need to find this. So this is AB, C, D, and it is E. Okay. Now let us consider triangle. First of all, this. So AB. This is A. Let's take this as A. AB, don't count, but just taking AB, C, D, sorry, C, D, this is D, here, it will be D, now it will be E here, okay, so we need to find this is the distance traveled by the balloon. Distance, okay, now between two balloons, distance between two balloons, okay, this is AB, not connect total height, this is AB is 81 meters, okay, now AB is how much? 81 meters, okay, and also CD also is 81 meters, okay. Now let us take okay, let us take now, just write it as A B C D F. Let us take F. AF equals to height of the balloon moved from the height of the balloon, okay, now from the ground, the height of the balloon from the ground, height of the balloon from the ground is given as how much? 82 meters. FG, EG equals to height of the girl, that is 1.2 meters, okay. The distance between CB is equals to distance between two balloons, distance traveled by the balloon, not between the two balloons, distance traveled by balloon, distance traveled by balloon, not distance between the balloons, distance traveled, only one balloon, distance traveled by balloon. Here also distance traveled by balloon. So now consider triangle. Okay, now from triangle A. So from triangle, let's take ADEC from triangle. So let's take this. I'm going to drop this. First take this. So from triangle, triangle DCE. So theta equals to 60 degrees. Theta equals to 60 degrees, and this is 81 meters. This is adjacent side. This is called as opposite side, and this is called as hypotenuse side. So opposite descent means tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent, whereas tan theta value, tan 60 is equals to opposite value is CD by, okay, now opposite value DC by adjacent is EC. Tan 60 equals to root 3 by 1 is equals to 81 by EC. Cross multiplication, EC into root 3 is equals to 81. EC into root 3 equals 81. Then EC is equals to 81 by root 3. So again multiply root 3 rational number. Then EC equals to 81 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 sevens are. So root 3 is 3. EC is equals to 27 root 3 meters. You got EC. Next, we need to consider from triangle DEC. From triangle, again, this is a triangle AEB triangle. AEB is the triangle, and theta is 30 degrees. Theta is 30 degrees. Okay, theta is 30 degrees. So it will be 88.2 minus 1.207. Sorry, 87 here. Sorry. Extreme sorry. This is 87. Okay, we have to take here 87. So 87. So 3 table divide by 87. 3 2 is 6. 27. 29. So EC equals to 29 root 3. Okay, it is also 87. 87, not 81. It will be 87. 87. Sorry, let's have correction. From correction, it will be 87. Why? Because 88.2 minus 1.2 is 87. Okay. Next, from triangle, this is also 87 meters. And EB means this. What is this? 29 root 3. And we don't know this distance. So that is EB. EB is equals to, we can write EB is equals to EC plus CB, whereas EB is equals to, we don't know EB, that is 29 root 3 plus CB. So we are taking adjacent here. Why? Because with respect to T is taking with respect to E. Here adjacent means this is opposite side, and this is called as hypotenuse side. So from triangle I am rubbing this. So from triangle, tan theta we have the adjacent we need to find. We have opposite. So tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Whereas tan, what is the value of tan? Tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite is AB by adjacent is EB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is 87 by EB. EB equals to 29 root 3 plus CB. So if you do cross multiplication for this is, so it will be 29 root 3 plus CB into 1 is equals to 87 root 3, then 29 root 3 plus CB is equals to 87 root 3. If you send this here, it becomes CB is equals to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. So it will be 87 root 3, 87 and 29, 17, 8, 7 means 558. So CB is equals to 58 root 3 meters. Okay, root 3 meters. Therefore, distance traveled by the balloon is, distance traveled by the balloon is, distance traveled by the balloon is, distance traveled by the balloon. Therefore, distance traveled by the balloon is equals to CB is equals to 58.58 root 3 meters. 58 root 3 meters. Traveled by balloon is CB equals 58 root 3 meters. Okay, yeah, take this. Okay, distance traveled by balloon is CB equals 58 root 3 meters.